In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the look and feel of your contest using the Launchpad6 contest platform. After you've logged into your contest dashboard, go to the Pages and Themes menu on the left-hand side and select Themes. You'll be then taken to the theme template selection window. Here you will be presented with the multiple themes, each of them with a different look and feel to give you inspiration for your next contest site. Each theme has two options. The active theme will have the options Configure and Code Editor. The Configure option will take you to the configurator, which provides a simple user interface to customize your contest website. The Code Editor lets you make advanced customizations using the HTML code editor. Non-active themes can be activated by selecting the Activate button. It is important to note that only one theme can be active at any one time. The Preview button will take you to the configurator for that theme. This can be handy in case you want to create multiple versions of your contest website before you launch. You can then select the customized website you are happy with and activate it. Note, you can only customize the code of the active theme. The active theme is the theme that will be displayed on your public website. Let's now go in and see how to configure the website. Select the Configure button to take you to the configurator. Once in the configurator, you will notice the preview of the contest web page on the right-hand side and the configurator tabs on the left-hand side. Except for the global styling, each of the configuration tabs represents each of the web pages on the contest website. The Global Styling tab is for styling and the header and footer of your contest, as well as the global font, buttons and video metric viewing options. The header and footer remain consistent across your entire website, regardless on the page which is displayed. Under the logo area, you can select a logo image to display in the top left hand of the menu. You can also select the padding around your logo to ensure it is displayed correctly in the allowed area. To change the logo, you can select the Browse button, which will then open up your image and video library. This video library and image library is for all previously uploaded images and videos. You can select one of these images for your logo if you have uploaded it previously, or you can select the Add to Library button and from your local file system can upload your logo image. In another video, we'll show you how to change the URL link of the logo. By default, it'll point to your home page of your contest. The Fonts and Styling area allows you to select the default styling of fonts, colours and weights. These can be overridden in each of your sections if you need something specific in each area. The Buttons area provides a global styling of buttons across your entire site. This includes things like the background colour, the text colour, and also whether you want a border around your button. You can also select to show key metrics of your videos across your site. Currently, these shows views, comments and votes. However, these will continue to be expanded over time. To view these in real time, scroll down to your video and just select each of the options. You will notice on the right hand side, they will start to appear. Lastly, you can also control the colours of your header and footer. This includes background and text colours for both the top menu and the footer. By selecting your Home Page tab, you're able to configure the look and feel of your home page. Your home page is typically broken up into multiple sections depending on the theme. Each section can be configured and customised. You'll notice in this theme there is the Hero section, the Counter, the Competition and Rewards, the Gallery section and the About Us. Each section is highlighted with bold font. The Hero section allows the title to either be an image, as per the current example, or just plain text. Let's have a look at that now. We scroll up to the Hero area. You can see at the moment is an image. If we change that to text, you can see that we have other text saved in there. As you type, it will be updated in the screen on the right. You can also change and override the colour of the text from the global settings to the setting that you've got in the title colour. Description is very similar. At this point you will see there is no description as the image is left blank, but we can add text and and you will see again text will appear. As soon as you select text, and this is consistent throughout the rest of the editor, you'll be presented with a text edit box. This will allow you to enter in your copy text as well as apply individual styling using the styling buttons up the top. The background section can be changed to either a colour, a plain colour, an image, or even a video. You can select this video similar to the logo section by selecting the browse, either uploading a video or selecting one from your library. We also provide the option for a copyright notice, so that if your video or image is protected by a copyright of some sort, you'll be able to provide a reference to the publisher. The other thing you can also do is include an explainer video. This is really handy if you want to have a video that explains a little bit about your contest, how to enter your contest, and maybe some more details around the prize. This can be turned on and off. If it's turned on, you can select the video that you want, your explainer video, as well as what the play button is to look like. Again, these are selectable through the library. You can also include a counter in your contest, which will count down to the different milestones in your contest. This can be a countdown to when your contest starts, when your contest uploads finish, and when your voting finishes. Again, you can change the background colour and text. This happens automatically. You don't need to make any settings for the counter to understand where it needs to count down to. You can then customise the look and feel and also the content of all the subsequent sections, which is very similar to in the Hero section. Each of the text boxes allow you to format the text and override the global settings. This can be done for all text in the text box using the paragraph colour, or can be done individually in the text box by using the formatting controls. Now you can move through each of the other tabs, formatting the subsequent pages easily. As you select each tab, the preview panel is updated with the web page for that tab so that you can review as changes are made. In this example, you can see I'm selecting the gallery page, and again, the gallery page is displayed on the right-hand side. To point out a couple of special tabs and settings, in the Terms and Conditions area, you can edit the conditions of your entry for your contest by selecting the Edit Page button. This will open a separate tab in the browser, which will display the static page for terms and conditions. You can edit and save this directly. We'll discuss static pages in a separate video. The other special settings to point out are in the View Entries tab. With each entrant, you're able to turn on and off social sharing networks that can be used. Let's have a look at that. By selecting each option, the social sharing option will automatically appear at the bottom of the entry. Also, under the comments section, you can edit whether comments are switched on or off. This button again opens another tab in your browser, which will take you to the contest settings page, where you can select the contest, go to the contest setting area, and either turn on or off commenting. Let's try that now. So this is where you'll be displayed your contests. You select manage. You go to your settings area. Scroll down until you get to the posting comments area, and you can turn that on or off. After you've finished editing your contest site, you can now see how it looks in the general public by selecting the Visit Site menu option at the top. Whenever you go away from your configurator, if you've made any changes, the system will automatically give you a warning message that if you leave the page, all changes will be lost. We'll just leave this page as we don't want to keep anything. Now you can see how your contests will look to the general public when they come to your website.